He did, yeah. I wonder if I got that. Oh my God.
You got it?
I don't know. I was... Now I think it's just a game. Honestly. I think the bird actually enjoys it now.
I think it's a game.
Oh, he's not happy, that bird. You hear him?
Yeah, I think he enjoys it. They're gonna both dive bomb.
I just, whoa, he was, did you see that? And I didn't get one bit of it on camera. He just came right 2 feet from your face.
Did you get that?
No, I can't see anything with this stupid thing.
You keep walking at him in the top.
I know, he just came. Oh! Gosh, I think he got him right in the butt. Where are they?
Top of the thing. It's on top of the.
Oh, okay.
Watch when he comes with it. Watch now when he goes away, he's gonna kill him.
Now he's up on the roof.
Come on, champ, get the ball.
I think they're too busy like playing with each other. You stupid bird. Oh.
You got that?
Yeah.